students, chapter number 16 quadrilateral. Today I will discuss exercise 16.1. We will discuss the odd questions here. We will discuss question number 1 first. The three angles of quadrilateral are 62, 1118 and 70 degree. You have to find out the fourth angle. We all know that in a quadrilateral there are four angles and three angles they have given. You have to find out the fourth angle. First of all, what we have done, we have let the fourth angle be x degree. Then what we will do, we will add all the four angles and it should be equal to 360 degree. That means x plus 62 degree plus 118 degree plus 70 degree equal to 360 degree. And the reason is that sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Then after that, I have added 62 plus 118, that means 180 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now we will add these two, we will get, after adding these two, we will get 250 degree. 180 plus 70, how much? 250 degree. Then we will shift it here, the sign will be changed, and 360 minus 250, we will get 1110 degree Celsius. That means the fourth angle is 110. Now question number 2 that you have to do on your own. They have given you the sum of two angles of a quadrilateral, that is 136 degree, and they are saying that two angles are equal. So what we will do, we will let the two equal angles be x degree. Then we will add x plus 136 equal to 360 degree. We will find out the value of x. Now come to question number 4. It is question number 4. Question number 3 says that the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:1:1:3. Find all the angles. Is it possible to have such angles? Why or why not? First of all, you will let all the four angles as x, 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 3x. Then you will add all the four angles and it should be equal to 360 degree. Then you will find out all the angles, and then after that you will come to the conclusion. Just try to solve question number 3. Now question number 4. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 2:3:4 respectively. The sum of first and the third angle is equal to 180 degree. Find all the angles of a quadrilateral. This you have to find out. Now three angles they have given you in the ratio 2:3:4. That means we can let the three angles of a quadrilateral be 2x, 3x, 4x. And one more relation they have given, that the sum of the first and the third angle is equal to 180 degree. It means suppose this 2x is the first angle and 4x is the third angle, and their sum they have given as 180 degree. This is given in the question. So what we have done, we have added the first angle and the third angle. 2x plus 4x equal to 180 degree. That means 6x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 upon 6. That means x equal to 30 degree. Now we have find out the value of x. It means we can find out the three angles 2x, 3x and 4x. 2x is 2 into 30, that is equal to 60. 3x is 3 into 30, that is 90 degree. 4x is 4 into 30, that is 120 degree. Now we have to find out the fourth angle. What we have done, let the fourth angle be y. Now we know the three angles. We have to find out the fourth angle. So we will use a property, that we will use a theorem that sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now 60 plus 90 plus 180 plus y equal to 360 degree. Then we will add these three angles plus y equal to 360 degree. We have used this theorem for finding out the fourth angle. So y equal to 360 minus 270, that is 90 degree. Y equal to 90 degree, and the angles of a quadrilateral are 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree, and again 90 degree. We have find out all the four angles. Now question number 5 that you have to do on your own. Two angles of a quadrilateral are 70 and 40 degree, and the remaining two angles are in the ratio 2:3. Very easy question. Two angles they have given you, already they have given, and the remaining two angles they have given you in the ratio form. It means what will be the equation form? 70 plus 40 plus 2x plus 3x equal to 360 degree. 70 plus 40 is 1110, we will shift it there, and 2x plus 3x 5x, 1110 plus 5x equal to 360 degree. We will find out the remaining two angles. Very easy question. You have to apply only one theorem, that is sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now come to question number 6. In the adjoining figure, this is the figure given. It means this is a quadrilateral because four angles are there. This is 90 degree. D angle is 2x plus 5. C angle is 7x minus 15 and B angle is 6x minus 5 degree. First you have to find out the value of x, then after that you will find angle B and angle C. First of all, we will add all the four angles and it should be equal to 360 degree according to the theorem. Now in quadrilateral ABCD, 90 plus 2x plus 5 degree plus 7x minus 15 degree plus 6x minus 5 degree is equal to 360 degree. We will add all the four angles. Sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. 90 plus 5 minus 15 minus 5, 2x, 7x and 6x. We will add the like terms. That means 90 plus 2x plus 5 plus 7x minus 15 plus 6x minus 5 equal to 360 degree. 90 plus 5, 95. 95 minus 15, 80. 80 minus 5, 75. 2x plus 7x, 9x. 9x plus 6x, 15x. 75 we will shift it here. 360 minus 75, that is 285. Then we will take 15 in the denominator in the right hand side. 285 upon 15, x is 19 degree. This first part we have solved. Now we have to find out angle B and angle C. Angle B was 6x minus 5, that means 6 into 19 minus 5, that means 114 minus 5 equal to 109 degree, and angle C is 7x minus 15, that means 7 into 19 minus 15, 133 minus 15, that is 118 degree. That means angle B is equal to 109 degree and angle C is 118 degree. Thank you class. You have to do question number 1, question number 4, question number 6 in your geometry copy. ठीक है, quadrilateral you will do in your geometry copy. Thank you class.